Buck roll. Aksebenzeki Entertainment. Purchase your track today.
Yeah. Sweets. Yeah. Look. Yeah. 4 or 5 floors, but a nigga going for it. I'm a hungry boy and I'm gon' hustle for this. In my bed, I keep trusting cause I got them bedrooms. I'ma keep on working hard for my boys and mommy. This shit lasts only if you focus on it. Cause many rappers come and go and they leaving for this. It is a game and now everyone is playing with this. A lot of shame to those rappers who've been working with this. A lot changed after the pianos brought change. I thought of going hard for the hip hop on stage, but I never get a chance to get on the stage. Not that I'm lame, recognition now but with fame. No one sees Sweezy with the life of the game. I want my competition to be tighter for years. Can I be celebrating with the fam and your peers? Because I ride it to the net. Not so long ago some rappers had to backstab me. Because I got a skill, I'm an enemy. And I'm zanga that's pagamisa, why they hating me. I take my time and write songs, I'm a bad person. I'm doing this out of life, man, it's not a session. I just chill and smoke a lot to create a better person. Even when they try to come at me, I don't panic. I'm a G, there's no rapper who can ever scare me. Yeah. Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah. Siroc. Every time I hold the mic, niggas are starting down to panic. Cause I'm throwing silly bars to prove myself that I'm unique. Hey, I'm proud of myself, now they know it. Siroc is independent, one man child, so they hate it. They were see me as a forget since I was humble to unlazy. When I found out in the gaming, abandoned and muteri, but I'm over it. Couldn't shit about it, so it's clear I'm the goating, I'm a tagger and a ballet. They want challenge me for petlins, cause my bars are always ready. Banzela like a partnership, but the scale I'm understanding. I'm just like in the jungle, every nigga and the tembi. I'm that cow, it eats alone, it's really over the thing. Going to think as dope because they flex with a drip. And this is the fact I got the fame, but the bus right trip. Those are the cheese boys. Till now we grew up in sharks, we got the skills for this rap, boy, you got 30 chance. Now we dropping hot hits, as is no shake umzans. Kalok sa kuka na gatola, with togos of our fans. And be grateful, Kopezol to bless us all up our fans. Yeah, GOD, bless us all up our fans. We wishing a soft life, nobody doesn't want it. That's why it's man no more now when somebody got it. My spoiler man does cause we gonna get it. It's hurting the poverty, all of us we hate it. Let's pray to the Lord, everything it does it. Yeah, everything it does it. Breezy. Look, yeah. I just feel like shooting bars down, so them niggas bow down. I just hope that you don't feel the way you feel me right now. Cause I'm working harder than before when lay my guard down. Shit is wetty, bruh. Who would care? Smoking on some ganja and some bitches who be talking on my back, but I don't talk about the past. We then change the pace and passing, born in dailies, now my party. Then I'm chasing 40 bucks. Now I don't talk about my bodies, paramisi dollar signs. Going loose, if you push, we ain't gon' lose. We gotta move and get the back until sibeng also my cruise. Jenge kunzas party mali, ziti nyamas na kukuzi. Uzungambuzu kuba kuteni choose, kuba ndibe loose cause I got really something to prove. Goddamn, we the niggas who keep praying and willing to be up there, but then we ain't up yet. And that's chicken, that's just your family, don't go back. Hey, can I say something? Hey, you the fucking lazy cat. And I won't say I'm a cool cat, but nigga just fuck with me. Yeah, I will do the dirty work. Yeah, I'm out.
Purchase your track today.